Sarah, I am ready. I am always ready.
Almost. I need one more thing.
You said that 4 times.
Snacks, a book, a jacket, an umbrella.
Your bag is the size of a car.
A big bag is always useful.
Useful? It is too heavy to lift.
You will thank me later.
The train leaves at 10. I am never late.
Then let's go. Do you have the tickets?
Of course. I have everything. Trust me.
You did not look in your pockets.
I did not need to look. I am always ready.
Okay, Mr. Ready, let's go.
See? We have plenty of time.
Tom, the cars are not moving.
Do not worry. I planned for traffic.
You planned for this?
I planned for a little traffic.
What time is it now?
It is 9:40. We have 20 minutes.
The station is still far.
Stay calm. I am always...
Do not say ready again.
Okay, I will not say it.
Can we take another road?
There is no other road here.
We should have left earlier.
I know. Look, the cars are moving.
There is the station. Get ready to run.
We made it. Where's the gate?
Over there. Tom, the tickets. Quick.
The tickets. Yes, they are in my pocket.
Which pocket?
This one or this one?
Tom, your pockets are empty.
That is not possible. I am always ready.
Did you leave them at home?
No, maybe. I do not know.
Wait, let me check my big bag.
Your bag? The tickets are not in your bag.
I put them inside this morning. Here they are.
You had them in the useless big bag? The big bag saved us. Okay, you win. Now, which platform? This way, platform 2. I know it.
Excuse me, sir. Where are you going?
The train to Greenville, platform 2.
Greenville is platform 4.
Platform 4? Are you sure?
I work here every day, I am sure.
But I am always...
You are at the wrong platform.
How much time do we have?
About 4 minutes. You must hurry.
4 minutes. Where do I go?
Up the stairs and turn right.
Up the stairs, turn right. Got it.
Run now, you can still make it.
Sarah, run. Platform 4.
I cannot run anymore.
We are here. Platform 4.
Where is the train?
I do not see it. Did we miss it?
Look at the board. Read it.
It says... delayed.
Delayed? For how long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
We ran for nothing.
All that packing, all that running.
For 30 extra minutes of waiting.
Mr. I am never late is very early now.
Please do not say that again.
Let's sit down. My legs are jelly.
Good idea. I cannot feel my legs. Let's get some coffee. We have time now.
A lot of time. 30 minutes.
I'm sorry I rushed you.
And I am sorry I was so slow.
Next time, we leave 1 hour early.
And you check your pockets at home.
And you bring the big bag.
So the big bag is useful now?
It saved the tickets. It is a hero.
Say it again. I like it.
The big bag is a hero.